Did you know that a gorilla can lift almost double its own body weight? That's right. These gentle giants are strong enough to lift cars, buses, and even elephants. But they would never do such a thing unless they were in danger or needed to protect their young. Gorillas live in groups of up to 100 members led by a strong silverback male. They spend their days looking for food and their nights sleeping with their family group. Gorillas are herbivores, but they need lots of nutrients to stay healthy. That's why they spend so much time eating. They also need to keep moving in order to stay strong. If gorillas get too comfortable, they can become obese and develop health problems. So they are constantly on the lookout for new sources of food. But despite their size and strength, gorillas are very gentle creatures. They don't like to fight and will only use violence if they have to. In fact, they are so peaceful that they will share their food with other animals. Gorillas are also very intelligent. They have been observed using tools in the wild and have even learned to recognize themselves in the mirror. This makes them one of only a few animal species that possess this ability. Gorillas are also very emotional creatures. They feel love, joy, sadness, and anger just like humans do. And they will show affection to their caretakers if they are properly socialized. However, if they are not socialized, they can be dangerous. Gorillas have been known to kill people who enter their enclosure at zoos. There are two types of gorillas, Eastern and Western. Eastern gorillas are larger and have longer arms than Western gorillas. They are also found in smaller groups and have more of a tendency to climb trees. Western gorillas are more social and live in larger groups. They are also better at adapting to new environments. Both types of gorillas are endangered. The main threats they face are habitat loss and poaching. Their numbers have been declining in recent years, but conservation efforts are underway to protect them. So next time you see a gorilla at the zoo, remember that they are not just big, strong animals. They are gentle giants with a lot of love to give. Now let us take a look at some amazing facts about gorillas that you might not have known before. Gorillas are actually quite graceful despite their size. They are able to move through the jungle with ease and can jump over logs and rocks without breaking their stride. A gorilla's diet consists of over 100 different types of plants, including leaves, stems, flowers, roots, and fruit. They are especially fond of bamboo, which they will often strip and eat. Gorillas are known for their strength, but their endurance is also impressive. They are able to walk up to 60 kilometers per day in search of food and can travel up to 30 meters vertically. When it comes to defending themselves or protecting their young, gorillas will not hesitate to use their strength. They have been known to charge at vehicles and even airplanes when they feel threatened. Despite their imposing appearance, gorillas are quite shy and prefer to avoid humans. However, if they feel cornered or threatened, they can be dangerous. It is important to respect their space and never approach them in the wild. Now let's move on to some more amazing facts about gorillas. Gorillas have a gestation period of 8.5 months, which is the longest of any primate. They typically give birth to one baby every 2 to 4 years, although some females may skip several years between births. Baby gorillas are called infants and are weaned onto a diet of solid foods at around 6 months old. They remain dependent on their mothers for several years, however, and will often play with other infants in the group. Gorillas have a complex social structure and live in groups of up to 100 individuals. The group is led by a dominant silverback male who is responsible for protecting the group and ensuring their safety. We hope you enjoyed learning all these amazing facts about gorillas. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more nature videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.